Alright, this video is for the language of algebra. It's worksheet 1-4, okay, and we're talking about expressions still. And if you're watching this video and you're not in the class, but you say, hey, I would really like to be in the class that's associated with this worksheet, then all you have to do is follow the link in the description and it will take you right to where you can sign up for this class. Alright, hold on, I'm about ready to do my magic trick. So my trick, I magically made all the answers appear in red. So pause it and grade yours and make sure you have the correct answers. Okay, so let me scroll down so you can see the last one. And whenever you're done correcting it, just come back and I'll explain how I got the answers. Okay, so this one was a tough one. Determine whether the expression r minus 17m minus 8 is equivalent to that other expression. Well, to do that, I have to simplify the second expression so that I know what it is simplified. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify it. First, I got to distribute because I can't do the stuff in these parentheses. Okay, so 6r minus 12m, I just multiply through my 3. Now when I multiply through this negative 5, you're going to get a totally different answer if you don't make it a negative 5 that you're bringing through. So negative 5 times n is a negative 5m. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Negative 5 times a negative r is going to give me positive 5r. And then I also have that plus 7 at the end. All right, let's get our like terms together. I have an r, and I'm going to combine it with this r, and together they're going to make 11r. Right? Yes, 11r. All right. This is not going to turn out the same. As what I have. Let's keep going and see. All right, combine these two and I get negative 17m. And then I combine this and I get a negative 8. Okay, I probably didn't see the 11. Probably just kind of assumed there was 11, but let me make sure my way of getting these was correct. Yes, they were. This should be positive. This should be negative. Let me look at my work. I made that positive. That is the answer I got on my paper. So what I'm thinking is whenever I compared it back to this, I didn't see that there was an 11 here. So this answer should be no, they're not equivalent. So now you know. It's because there isn't an 11 in front of the R, okay? But if you had done it a different way, I don't think it would have gotten that answer either, okay? A student said that 3x plus 4y can be simplified to 7xy by combining like terms. What error did the student make? Well, he combined terms that were not like. Okay, terms that are like have to have same variable. And just as a sub rule, that variable has to have same degree of power. All right, that's what we need to have a like term. All right, that's kind of you may have worded it different, but as long as you get the gist. Okay, the first thing I need to do is I need to distribute out this 6, which means 6 times 4L plus 6 times 7K. And then I'm just going to write down the rest of it. All right, now 6 times 4 is 24L. Plus 6 times 7 is 42K. Get my like terms, my L here, which I need that negative too, and this positive is going to give me 8L because I got to subtract them because of this subtraction. Can't do anything else because there's no more like, so I just stop right there. All right. Now in this one I have some like terms. I have a 5D that's like with a 4D and a negative 2D. So 5D plus 4D minus 2D, and then I'm just going to write what's left at the end. All right, so 5 plus 4 is 9, minus 2 more is 7D. These are like because they don't have a variable and they have the same degree of power. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So 7D plus 1. All right, the first thing I've got to do is take care of this distributing, okay? So 2 times y minus 2 times 3x. All right, let's clean this up. All right, these x's are like, and if I put them together, I'm going to get 1x plus 2y. One more to go. All right, I have some stuff here. I have negative r, positive 6r, which is going to give me 3r. 3r plus 5r are going to give me 8r. 8 plus 9 is going to give me 17r. All right, so that is the fourth worksheet. Go ahead and email me if you have any problems, and I'll see you in the next video.